What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to look at Shiba Inu. Pretty crazy stuff happening right now, as yesterday we made a video saying that there was less than 2 days before we get the general direction of where Shiba Inu is going to be leading to. We had this beautiful pennant flag forming here, major run to the upside here, major symmetrical triangle or descending triangle into a pennant flag, and basically we needed to fill in this gap here to decide which direction we're going to be moving to, confirming if we close the hourly above this resistance, we can buy in long and anticipate a leverage to the upside here. And if we close and break through our bottom support, we know to anticipate a big run, which we projected to the downside here, which we did hit, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit on today's video, guys. But this is absolutely insane, major dumpage forming right now in Shiba. We did call this yesterday, and hopefully you guys took advantage of this, because this was a major run and because there was tons of profit to be made on Bityard, which we took advantage of, as you guys can see right here. Just by going to Shiba Inu, we were able to leverage this cryptocurrency from the point of breakout all the way to the downside, and it's continuing to drop here. This was the easiest trade, honestly, we could have made on Shiba, regardless of whether money is leaving or entering crypto, regardless of whether it's leaving or entering Shiba. We were able to take advantage of it by shorting it on Bityard. Otherwise, guys, today's video was brought to you by Covesting yield accounts. You can earn up to 10% APY on your cryptocurrency just by holding some of the most popular cryptos. More information about Prime XBT and Covesting yield accounts at the end of today's video. I've also linked them down in the description if you can't wait. Otherwise, definitely make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, where do we even begin? I mean, there's been a major dumpage, major swing to the downside here within Shiba Inu. You can see in the video that I made yesterday, this was November 3rd, today is currently November 4th. You can see we had 3,800 people watch this, but you can clearly see the drop that we had. So I just wanted to show you guys this really quickly here. You can see I muted it just because I want to talk over it, but this is the dump that we were saying. This bottom support level right here, if we see correction break us through this support level, we will easily see correction all the way back down, shooting us probably to our moving average, and that's what we have to pay attention to if we break through this bottom support here. Now, moving to Shiba Inu, you can see if I extend to the 4-hour, we did exactly that. We closed below our bottom support here, which was an immediate reversal and correction that shot us all the way down to moving averages right here, closing in nearing the red band on our moving average. Now, here's the thing, guys. I do believe this is going to be the target and potentially the bottom for Shiba Inu. Now, I'm not selling out just yet. I did move my stop loss up a little bit higher, only because this is still just the start. Now, things are looking fairly undervalued on the current MACD right now. You can see right here, and we are becoming oversold on the RSI, which is why I'm starting to believe that we'll probably see this as the bottom. But just in case, I did move that stop loss there to lock in some profits, and in case we decide to head lower, I'll at least be in it for the long run here. But this was exactly what we projected here from the mouth of the opening. You can see this is pretty much the drop. I mean, this is what we anticipated. We broke bearish. There still is a bigger target. We could easily see prices pull us all the way down to here. It's only like halfway right now, but this was the dedicated target. This was our final support level to say, hey, if we can hold up to here, hopefully we'll close, but the target is set much lower here. So we'll see how far we decide to move to. That's why I'm not selling out and taking profits just yet. I only just moved my stop loss downwards just to lock them in. But you can see this is what we anticipated, and I do believe we're going to continue to head lower in this drop here. It's just starting. We're just slowly becoming oversold here, and we might see a small reversal back up as we saw earlier, but it only just helped us pull lower and lower and lower. So I believe this is the correction. I'll give you this. I was not expecting it to break this early, but with that confirmation of closure below this support level right here, it was pretty much dedicated to see major volume coming in and major sell-offs to swing the markets down to the downside here. And you can see the volume that's pretty much leaving Shiba Inu as I'm giving this update here. So incredible stuff. We were able to take advantage of this on Bityard very easily. You guys can see just by drawing in the downtrend here, just like this, you could see this is the pennant flag that we were basically dealing with. This is it clear as day here. And the fact that we were able to close below this support basically gave us the opportunity to buy in and short it to the downside here. So major pennant flag to the upside here, beautiful uptrend. We formed this pennant flag right here, confirmed closing below this support level right here, and that's when we were able to short this all the way to the downside here. Now, I believe we have the opportunity to go even lower. Next support is going to be probably closer to these wicks right here, so I can draw it in on the Shiba chart. Here it is. You can see the next drop will probably swing us down to maybe this level. This is pretty much the next bottom, this horizontal line right here, and you can see on the 4-hour what that looks like. Just for reference sake, you can see that's this level right here. I'm going to move it a little lower, right to this level here. So if we continue to break through this and we don't hold and rebound off of here, which is what I think is going to happen, we'll see that target fall us all the way down to this level, and you can see how well this lines up with our breakout in the mouth of the opening here, that this would send us pretty much directly down to the support level. So that's really what I'm looking for, is correction all the way down to here, and that's why I haven't sold out. And you guys can see that's pretty much how we took advantage of this on Bityard, which I did link in the description for you guys to check out. But literally just entering the amount of leverage that you want right here, let's say 10x or 8x, typing in the amount you want to margin, and then clicking sell short would allow you to capitalize off this short position right here. Otherwise, guys, that's going to be the market update for Shiba Inu. Hopefully you guys understand that we have that target set to here. Would I buy in right now to Shiba on the dip? No. It's kind of risky. It would be a very risky trade to see it swing down to here. We'll probably rebound off the moving averages here, how even on the 4-hour we're becoming oversold. So expect to see a small dip and a small recovery, and then potentially a correction all the way down to our bottom support right there. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk about Covesting yield accounts with you. All right, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Covesting for sponsoring today's episode. So check this out, guys. Prime XBT launches the APY generating Covesting yield accounts. So while the formula for copy trading relies on the Prime XBT's advanced trading tools to access global markets across Forex, crypto, commodities, and stock indexes from a single account, Covesting yield accounts are an entirely different experience altogether and more closely resembling the world of DeFi, but only simpler. So they are proud to officially introduce Covesting yield accounts for the first time and announce the tool is now live on Prime XBT immediately. Covesting yield accounts let users stake any idle crypto assets stored in their highly secure Prime XBT account wallet and earn competitive variable APY. Hopefully everyone knows, but APY stands for annual percentage yield and references the rate of return in crypto rewards offered for staking assets. Now, staking has become a prevalent trend among the cryptocurrency community, made even more popular due to the emergence of automated market-making platforms such as Uniswap, which you guys all know. And unlike how it works on a centralized exchange, users of such decentralized platforms provide liquidity for trading pairs, and the protocol issues rewards to users as a variable APY based on any fees generated by the platform. Market conditions dictate what that variable APY rate is at any given moment. Now, the current rate is about 10.5%, and that's been the highest rate Covesting yield accounts have achieved so far, but market conditions change regularly depending on demand, trading volume, and the general market volatility. Now, the Covesting yield account system always makes it abundantly clear what the expected APY performance should be. However, it is up to the user to monitor the rates and watch for changes in market conditions. Now, guys, any rewards generated are automatically added to the staking account. Now, the tool provides a fully transparent estimate of expected APY rates. Within just a few clicks, users can begin staking any crypto assets stored in secure Prime XBT crypto wallets for passive income, making the benefits of DeFi much more accessible to all. Covesting yield accounts are the latest update as part of an ongoing white label licensing agreement and B2B partnership between Prime XBT and the licensed European fintech developer Covesting. And other innovations include Covesting copy trading module and COV token staking, which can unlock utilities that boost your APY rates when using the Covesting yield account system. It is also just the most recent release in an ever-growing lineup of assets and continuous updates released by the two companies in cooperation. So guys, now let me explain how to use the Covesting yield account to help you if you wanted to check it out, which I did link in the description. The performance of history of any staking are listed for accounting purposes, and clicking on any individual staking gives users a bird's eye view of all performance metrics, including total earned, total equity, and even more. Now, by visiting the Yield Account tab of the Covesting section in the Prime XBT dashboard, users can get the current estimated rates or prepare a more specific expected rate of return using the calculator tool. Now, here users can find out how each COV token staking membership can bolster the APY rates of each asset being offered by staking. And guys, by staking COV tokens, users can unlock utilities that offer as much as 2x APY boost, in addition to other compelling utilities for copy traders like trading fee discounts, improved success fees, and even more. So guys, Covesting yield accounts offer a significant flexibility with staking offered on Ethereum, USDT, or USDC, and staking can also be started or stopped at any time, giving users complete control over the capital. So guys, if Covesting yield accounts is something that you might be interested in on Prime XBT, then please check out the links in the description to find out more information and start staking. Otherwise, huge shout out to Covesting for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.